Okay guys, today we're in the 2025 Toyota Camry and I want to talk to you guys about doing a tire change, and in this case here, a flat tire change. It's one of those things that, heaven forbid, you get one. Nobody wants one. It's always inconvenient. But today I thought we'd talk about it, go over a few things. In case you didn't know, everything that you need for this job is going to be located in the trunk. So let's go outside, pop the trunk, and get this tire change started. Okay, so we got that trunk popped. So we're gonna go in here and pull this latch up over here, up, and you can see over here, tuck it in right there. That gives us access to everything in the back. Let's go ahead, pull that out so we can see what we're working with here. Okay, so we got this out of the vehicle now, and basically this is all we're gonna need. This is our toolkit. So we've got our lug nut wrench over here. We have our jack over here. And this is going to help us to raise and lower the jack. If you did have wheel lock nuts, I'd suggest leaving your key in here. This way here, when you go to remove the wheels, you're not lost without it. Next thing we're gonna do is go into the trunk and get our spare tire out. Simply turn this counterclockwise. There we go, we've got that completely out. Now we can go ahead, pull the tire out. Okay, so for this scenario here, let's pretend that the driver's side front has gone flat on us. So let's make sure we're on a level piece of ground that we can work with to put our jacks under for stability. And let's go ahead and loosen up these lug nuts in the front. Okay guys, so as you've seen, we were able to go ahead, loosen up the lug nuts about a quarter turn. Now what we're gonna do is look for jack placement. So if you look underneath the vehicle over here, you're gonna see these two divots, 1 and 2. That's the location that they want us to place our jack. So that's for the front. Let's go ahead to the back and have another look. When we come to the back here, you will see those same two divots here. So these two divots here, that is where we're going to be placing our jacks. Okay, so here's the jack. I just wanted to show you, basically, bump, bump is all you have to remember. And we've got the slot here. The slot is what's going to be going in between your pinch welds underneath the chassis. Just wanted to show you quickly where I placed the jack. Now let's go ahead, get this car lifted up. So as you guys can see, the car has now been lifted with the jack. We've got lots of clearance underneath the tire. Let's go ahead and get these lug nuts off. Okay, so we got our spare tire over here. So let's go ahead, get it mounted. Okay, so we got them all finger tight right now. Let's go ahead, torque them down with our wrench. One thing to note when you're torquing them down, again, not too tight. Car's still elevated right now. Just get them snug so you can put the vehicle down. Let's go ahead now, lower the vehicle. Now that we've got the vehicle lowered, let's go ahead and torque these bolts down here. Torque them in a star pattern so you have an even amount of pressure going onto the hub. Okay, now that we've got everything torqued down, it's very important to note that these can possibly come loose on you. So at your nearest opportunity, get this to the tire shop, get your tire changed, and have these torqued down. I'll go ahead and put the torque specs down below here so you guys can see what these need to be torqued to if you decide to do the wheel change yourself. Okay guys, like I said, short, sweet, quick video today. So I hope I helped you out a little bit. Hopefully you never run into this problem, but if you do, now you know what to do. We'll see you guys in the next one.